Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to block your OPay ATM card. So if you suspect something is wrong or your ATM card is missing, in this video I'm going to show you how to block it. So open your OPay app, navigate to cards at the bottom. Now click on physical card since we are dealing with physical card. Now click on card settings. From here, you're going to see an option to block card. So just click on block card. It's going to ask you for a reason. You can say it is damaged or it is stolen or lost. Select a reason and confirm. And now click on block this card. They're going to ask you for your payment PIN. When you set that in, it might ask you for your face verification. After that, your card will be blocked. So that's how you blocked your ATM card on OPay. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.